Stop.
Let's title this Another Toboggan Ride.
Oh, okay, here's toboggan ride number 2. Hold on a minute, let me get my glasses on. Here's Mia, say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
The first time was like...
Yeah, be careful here, okay?
Oh, wait.
Now here's Mia, here's her toboggan.
Wait.
Okay, we have a, oh, don't let it go. Okay, hold on to it, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on to the string. Why don't you put the string there so you can sit on the string.
Let's put this on YouTube.
Oh, okay, we're going to put it on YouTube for your parents, but okay. Okay, got your hand. This is our style here. She sits down. Okay, careful without breaking your leg. Okay, and then I hold on to it. Then I hold on to it with my foot, as you can see, so she can grip the handles. Okay, hold on. We have to wait for our turn. Okay, there's a couple of people ahead of us. Look at. Say hi, Mia. Say hi, Mia. Okay, we're gonna go in a second here, just as soon as these people finish. Okay, here we go. Go. Woo! Here we go. Woo! But that's a great ride. Dang. All the way to the bottom. Yay! Oh, there she is.